Hi, our doll BFFs, and welcome to my channel, Nene and Sophia. I am Nene, an adult doll collector, and I share my hobby with my granddaughters, one of which Sophia's here with me quite a bit. But lately it's been really hard for both of us, I think, to find the time these last few weeks. There's just been a lot going on, and as she gets older, there's more homework. I teach, and we've had a lot going on at school and things after school. I did try to make a couple videos of the mini-verse, making the mini-verse that was the Christmas mini-verse and the Halloween ones. And I'm not very good at making those on camera. So that's something that I need to practice. I mean, I did film it and I did try to edit it, and I was like, this just, it was a lot. And so I did make some of the new Christmas ones and tried to share that with you, but it just didn't come out very well. I just have, and I say this all the time, I just have a lot of things stacked up and a lot of things that I don't get to right away. And some of those are Ken dolls. So I wanted to look at some of the Ken dolls that I've had sitting around here, waiting to get out of the package, waiting to find their place on the shelf or have a photo. And also, and I know that you've probably already seen these, but it did take me a little while to get some of these fashion packs for Ken. I mean, they've been out for like ever. And I don't know why it was hard for me to get them even online at my Walmart. But I've finally received these, and I really like this striped one. I think the colors in this are a lot of fun. And I like the fact that this one has long sleeves. I was just thinking I would really like to see like a fashion packs for Ken's used to, have some accessories and all those kinds of things, kind of like the one that's you can usually find with the tuxedo, and it's got the watch. I just feel like they used to have like jackets and shoes, and I would love to see one with maybe like a Christmas sweater or a winter sweater and some jeans and boots. I just think that that would be great. The shirt feels kind of silky, but yeah, I think it does have some cotton in it. Then the shorts have almost a t-shirt feel to them. I like the way the shorts feel. And there are no buttons or any closures or anything on this shirt. Okay, so, and the stripes in the back. I just really like all of the stripes. I think that that's a lot of fun. And it did come with these pair of blue sandals. So this is the top, and it feels kind of like a polyester material. It velcros in the back, and the pattern goes all the way around. It's got this nice K for Ken. See, like, I don't understand like really the red thread around the neckline here. I think that that would have been better in like a dark purple, and then some of the same colors but a different size plaid. So I may, like I said, put this on with like a pair of jeans. It kind of looks like a school sweater or something. It's a nice heavy fabric. So, I kind of like the quality of the shirt. And then like these just with like a white t-shirt or something, I think would be nice, or like a yellow. I think that'd be pretty. So first, just this kind of budget doll here. He's been sitting around forever, and these dolls and all these packages and stuff take up some room, and I think he was like $3 on Amazon one time, and I just think he has such a handsome face. So I went ahead and got him. Of course, he's not going to have much articulation. That's the easiest time I've ever had getting a doll out of a box. But I just think he is such a handsome guy. And, it's all molded hair, but I love his hairstyle, and he's got that sweet smile. And he just has articulation, like to move his shoulders up and down. He's got rotation in his head and just very basic. So if I could ever find someone that is, I don't know if our new made to move Ken would match him or not, to find him a made to move body. But I did think he was cute, and for $3, I thought, you know, that was a really good deal. So I will probably put him on the shelf. I thought if nothing else, you know, like, I don't think my daughters have a Ken doll, or my granddaughters. My daughters don't collect. So, but yeah, I thought he was really handsome. So he was one of them that I've had in the box. And then I have this fashionista number. Where is it at? Fashionista number 236. And I just think he has also a really handsome face. I mean, they don't have any kind of articulation, so you can't say that, you know, the body on it's great. And I feel like his clothes are pretty basic, but I just thought he had a really neat face. And so I kind of wanted to add him to the collection. I think I might have a wheelchair Ken around here somewhere, but I don't know what his skin tone would be, like if it would match or not. And he was really easy to get out. I feel like I've been thinking lately that maybe like on the fashionistas, if there's one I just love the face, or if I really like the outfit that's on them. But otherwise, I don't know that I want to purchase a whole lot of those, because I'm just running out of room. And they don't, I mean, they sometimes have cute faces, but they don't have much articulation. And so I'm just going to try to be really picky about my fashionistas. Now, like those glam style dolls that are getting ready to come out, I want all of those. I thought those were really pretty, different, had beautiful faces, and kind of neat fashion, and I really liked those. Okay, so here he is out of the box, and there is his handsome face, and his hair in the back, kind of how the color kind of fades down right here. And he has kind of like an ombre, blues and yellows, and green shirt, and it does go all the way around in the back and velcros down the back. It feels very cottony, like a actual t-shirt fabric. And then he has these jean shorts that are supposed to be distressed in some spots, but the fabric also is a nice feel, and all of the pattern goes all the way around in the back, and it kind of has a fade to it too. And then he has on some silver sneakers with some painted details on these would be great, but I know, like I said, you know, they're $10 dolls. That would be a lot of extra. So maybe if I can find him a made to move body, because I just thought he was pretty neat. And then the last one is the Barbie movie Ken with the Ryan Gosling face. And I've heard out there that they're supposed to take all of the Barbie movie Ken dolls and replace them with the Ryan Gosling face, which I mean, I have gotten all of the Barbie movie dolls so far, but I don't think I want to buy all the Kens again. That's just getting a little crazy and expensive. But I mean, I do like his face. I think he looks maybe a little stern compared to the one that we got originally, just that has the Ken face. All right. So we got him out of the box, and I mean, I guess he's kind of got like a little bit of a smile, or like I said, I just think he looks a little more stern than our happy Ken doll. There's the one that we got. And whew, they both, I haven't shampooed his hair yet either. Their hair is extremely stiff. And so his is kind of sticking up crazy in the back there where it had the little, had the plastic pieces in it, and it got a little crazy trying to get it out of the box. But of course, I think I think that this one really has a handsome face, and it's different, and I always like different like face sculpts and some variety in the dolls. But I think that they're both cute. I think he's just got a sweet smile, and he has a very handsome face, of course. So he has the same outfit. He came with his hand in his pocket here, and he came with a surfboard, just plain blue surfboard. He has movement in his knees and in his wrists and elbows, shoulder, and head. So I know a lot of people will still even take these dolls and put them on Made to Move bodies, but I just don't really have that many. When they go on sale, I try to get some, but you know, you can't always find the one that you need or the one that has the match that you need. They don't always, the one you need might not be on sale. So if it has articulation, I'm good with that. I just don't try to change it if it has this much. So he is pretty handsome. So these are our three guys. Oh, and this guy, I went ahead and put him, since he only had a swimsuit, so he still doesn't have shoes. I would always rather have a pair of shoes than a pair of these sunglasses. So yeah, these should have, that would have been great to have a pair of sneakers with those, but this is the one outfit. So we have him that we opened today, and I even think he looks cuter without the sunglasses on. And we have our Ryan Gosling doll, and we have our fashionista. So these are our Kens for today. Let me know in the comments if you have gotten any Ken dolls recently. I'd love to know which one you've got. And do you even have Ken dolls in your collection? Is that part of what you collect? And I am going to have a few more Ken dolls that I'd like to get ready for the shelf and things that I'm going to be opening. So we'll have a little part 2 to our It's Raining Ken series. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you taking your time and spending some time here in Nene's Doll Room. Would you please give us a like and hit that subscribe button? And until next time, this has been Nene. See ya.